Hello friends, subscribe my channel. Haircut speaking part 1 question with answer. Question 1, how often do you have a haircut? Your answer, I try to my hairdresser once a month. I am glad in my hairstyle so that I am not taking care of my hairstyle. Your second question, how long have you had your current haircut? Your answer, I remembered I had my hair cut for last month after a long time because due to pandemic and COVID regulation, salon and spa were not at all in all swing. Your third question, have you ever had unhappy haircut experience? Your answer, of course, I am a fond of the Hollywood and Bollywood superstars. Moreover, I try to imitate them with the various style like hairstyle, apparel. Apart from this, once I tried to cut my hairstyle like film star Mr. Bobby Deol, it was devastating. Your next question, do you like to have your hair cut? Your answer, yes. I seriously tried for the same on the occasion of the first COVID spread. Scissor and trimmer were my tools and it was experienced well. Thanks for watching my channel. Please like it and subscribe it for the new update video.